Hey there, myself Nilesh, and today I'm back with a new video, and I'm thinking to create a complete guide or a tutorial package of how to install the custom ROMs from the beginning and understanding all the elements that need to be keep in mind and how that actually works and all. So first thing, before we do any installation of custom ROMs, we need to take care about first thing is bootloader. Bootloader of any of the device should be unlocked, and by the way, we usually don't know what is bootloader, so I can't remember everything, so I have just taken it a note, so I will just tell you about what it is. It's the very first thing that runs when you boot up your Android phone. When you just start up, the main thing that runs is your bootloader that gives the package instructions to the boot operating system's kernel, and most of them are specifically designed to run their own debugging and modification environment. The complete the own companies create their own custom ROMs, that are they are just balanced by these bootloaders. And Android device is like a hard drive that several partitions and holds the Android file system. These are just the files that need to be hosted first before anything else. These consist all the data files, like what is your interface and all. So what it does is it serves as a security checkpoint that is responsible for checking and initializing the hardware and starting the software. It can also be used for flashing official and release. So this is the basic function of bootloader, how the bootloader works and all. And what about lock and unlock? Most of the bootloaders are locked. Nowadays, whatever the devices are there, the bootloaders are pre-locked by the companies and encrypted, including the developer-friendly Nexus devices. Manufacturers usually lock the bootloader to make sure that you stick with their Android OS. These are actually locked just because they want their operating system to be fame, but we can unlock them with some of the methods. ROM on the other force attempts, which would, but this voids your warranty. That's an bad news. But if you're trying to do something, then that's a good news too. There are some methods like fast OEME and lock, giving commands. And here the note is that unblocking bootloaders void your warranty and completely wipes the internal memory, including contacts, messages, and applications. Sometimes you can go back to your original operating system, and sometimes you can't. Here, a very basic method. This about for Xiaomi devices is, I'm using Redmi 3S Prime, and there is a method for Xiaomi devices. Most of the people are using this device, Xiaomi users, so I can help them with the thing. I'll be giving the link in the description. You just need to go here on the link given here, that is miui./unlock. So you just click here, unlock now. After you click unlock now, you can just go here, cancel, make it English if you don't understand. Now here you just need to log in with your MIUI account. As I have already unlocked my bootloader, so I can't do it once more, so I will just be adding screenshots on how to do it. So you need to just do is, as I told you, need to apply there, and you will have an application form appearing something like this. You need to write your username and enter your phone number, and write why would you like to unlock the bootloader, and click on apply now and apply immediately. And if you would like to read the unlock risks, you can read. Then after that, you will have a confirmation message something like this, that saying that you have granted a permission to unlock the device in my account, and so on and so forth. You can click that link that will take you to something like this page, and you can click the download mi unlock and even if you want to read that, you can read how they have given the procedure on how to do that. After this is what you need to open that zip file and just extract them, and there is a ymi flash unlock. Open that folder, double tap it, and after that you will be taken to something login page. There you need to log in with the same account that you have tried to you are requested to unlock your mi account. So after that you will be taken. Before that, you need to do is go to the developer option and go there and unlock first developer option by clicking on builder number on the system. Then you need to just click on developer option, keep it on, and OEM unlocking and USB debugging as shown in that image. And you can check that my unlock status. You can click there and it says something like your device is locked and phone is secured. So it means that your bootloader is still locked and it is secured. So next is you need to just switch off your phone. Just hold the volume low button and the power key, and you will be taken to the fast boot mode. And now you need to connect it to your PC, and after connecting it to that device to the fast boot mode, you just open the file that MIUI unlock which I said before, and you will be asked to log in. And as I said, you need to log in with the account which you had applied for. Then be sure that you have logged in with the same account in your device too, and sync your all the contacts details and all with the MI cloud, so that your unlocking will be faster. Else it might take about a few days or a week or about 15 days too. It had taken me about 2 days something to get a request that you have been granted and all. Then after that you just are going to go next, and sometimes you might get an error called couldn't verify your device. Might be 2 to 3 days. After that, once your application is approved and you have got an authority to do that, then you can do it successfully, and it says unlocked successfully. You will get this screen on your PC, and now you're ready to use. And now you can go and check out your MIUI unlock status, and you will be something like this, like this device is now unlocked, something. That's it. So this is how we unlock our bootloader in Xiaomi, and almost the methods will be same for the different devices, but varies with the branding and their styles of being unlocked. That's it for today. And in the previous video I had expected about 10 likes and about 20 subscribers, and there is a good count that I got about 30 subscribers and about 20 likes. So I would not like to aim higher, but if I would, it would be better if I would get 50 subscribers and about 30 likes on this video, and I'm sure that you will help me out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like my videos, please keep supporting. And here we end our part 1, and I shall tell you how to move ahead with this in the process of installing the Custom-ROM. Next we are going to install the TWRP recovery modes in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.